A. Reporting statements. When we change a sentence from direct speech to reported speech, pronouns and possessive adjectives change according to the context. Liz said, "I can't find my keys." Liz said that she couldn't find her keys. When the reporting verb is in the past simple, we make the following changes. Direct speech. Present simple. Julie said, "I play tennis every Saturday." Reported speech. Past simple. Julie said that she played tennis every Saturday. Present progressive. John said, "I'm working." Past progressive. John said that he was working.